Class 4 Subject English Grammar. Book name Grammatica. Students, today we will discuss lesson number 1, Alphabetical Order. Alphabetical Order. In alphabet, we write like this way. We start the alphabet from A. A after B. B after C. C after D. D after E. E after F. F after G. G after H. H after I. This is the sequence of alphabet. Whenever we want to write alphabet, we always starts with A, and after A we write B, and after B we write C. This is the correct sequence of alphabet. That is also called alphabet order. In alphabet, there are 26 letters. From A to Z, there are how many letters? 26. In alphabet, there are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels. Which vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Repeat again. Which vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels in alphabet. Total 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, 5 are vowels. Which letters left? That are consonant. That are called consonant. As like A is a vowel. Which left now? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. This is U. And V, W, X, Y, Z. These are 26 letters left. These are consonants. Repeat again. In alphabet, there are 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And other letters are called consonants. Other letters called consonant. And these are 21. 21 consonants, 5 vowels, total 26 letters in alphabet. Now read these words. Elephant, cat, tiger, dog. If we want to put these words alphabetical order, it is easy. We look at the first letter. As like we look E, elephant, C, cat, T, tiger, D, dog. E, elephant, C, cat, T, tiger, D, dog. We look the first letter. Then according to alphabet, we place the words. According to alphabet starts with A, but there is not any word which starts with A, and not any word which starts with B. Now which letter is coming? C. That's why we will place a cat, because it starts with C, at the first number. C, cat. C after what comes? G. Then we will place which word? D, dog. D after E. That's why we will place after D, E, elephant. Now E after what comes? F, G, H. There is not any word which starts with F, G and H, any other word. And which word left? That is tiger, and it starts with the T, and it's come after T, after E. That's why tiger will come at last. If we want to arrange the words according to alphabet order, we will write first word according to alphabetical. Some words starts with the same letter. For example, apple starts with A. Arrow starts with A. Angel starts with A. Again starts with A. All these, you can see, all these words start with the same letter A. Now how we will arrange them? Then we will look at the second letter. As like after A, which letter is written? P. After apple. After A, which letter? R. arrow. After A, an angel. After A, G. Again. We order these words by second letter, according to second letter, because the first letter is the same. Now, what comes first according to alphabet? G. After G, N. After N, P. After P, R. Now we arrange these words according to second letter because the first letter is same. Now these words are in alphabetical order. Sometimes first two letters are also same. Then we will look the third letter as like, look beta, car, cake, catch, castle. Now CA, car, CA, cake, CA, catch, CA, castle. First two letters same. Then we will look third letter, R, K, T, S. Okay. Now we will write as like cake because K comes first. R. After K, R. S. After R, S. T. After S, T. Now these words are in alphabetical order. I hope you understand alphabet order. First of all, we will look the first letter. According to first letter, we will arrange them according to alphabet. If the first letter is same, then we will look on second letter. Then we will arrange the words according to second letter. And if both first and second letter same, then we will look next third letter. We will arrange the words according to third letter. Thank you.